Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a popsicle ninja. First, gather your materials. You'll need 24 standard popsicle sticks, black and red acrylic paint, and a fine-tipped paintbrush. Don't forget strong craft glue, a ruler, and a pencil. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. This project is perfect for a fun afternoon activity. Now, let's build the ninja's main body. Take 8 popsicle sticks and lay them out flat, side by side, making sure they are perfectly aligned. Use your ruler to ensure even spacing. Then, glue 2 additional sticks horizontally across the top and bottom of this panel to secure them. Repeat this step to create a second, identical panel. These will form the front and back of your ninja. Next, it's time to add some color and detail. Paint both of your assembled body panels a solid, deep black. Allow them to dry thoroughly, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. While they dry, cut a small 1-inch strip from another popsicle stick. Paint this piece a vibrant red. This will become your ninja's iconic headband. Ensure all painted parts are completely dry before proceeding. For the final steps, carefully glue your 2 black body panels together, forming a sturdy, 3-dimensional ninja figure. Next, precisely attach the dried red headband across the upper portion of the ninja's face, just below the top edge. Finally, using a very fine brush and a tiny dot of white paint, add 2 small, expressive eyes to complete your popsicle ninja. Your awesome creation is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.